This will be the year.
This again?
What?
Every year you do the same thing.
And you always fail.
Oh, okay. This year is gonna be different. Trust. This will be the year. Man, I'm dropping out! You will succeed this year. You will succeed this year. You will succeed this year. Succeed. You will succeed.
Nick? What is this?
Can you turn off the lights? I'm trying to manifest you. You will succeed. You will succeed.
This will be the year.
Just stop, Nick. I know you're not gonna do this, but I guess at least you don't have a bunch of rocks like last year.
Yeah, those rocks were so weird, weren't they? Anyways, what do I do teach? Am I just doomed to fail?
Well, not exactly. What you need to do is watch this.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Big thanks to my teacher for doing that skit with me. He's a real one, for real. Anyways, don't worry, you guys are not doomed. Even if the last couple of years haven't gone the way you wanted it to, it's just because you didn't have the game plan set. Whether it's getting high grades, a jack physique, or just fulfilling any of the goals you had, in today's video, I'll be showing you the full guide on how to lock in this school year. So, let's do it. The first step in making this year your best year is to have a list of goals. Set goals periodically, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 9 months from now, and eventually 1 year from now. This will help you stay focused and give you a reality check every 3 months saying, are you locked in, homie? Okay, think about it like this. If you run towards your goal without a plan or clear steps, you might take a longer route, face detours, or end up far away from your destination. But with the map, you won't get lost and can stay on the path that leads you directly to your goals. So having a game plan, a little map of goals needed to make up a bigger goal is extremely important. Next, I want you to start planning out your week. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Nick, that takes way too much work. But it really doesn't. It takes like 10 minutes of your day and it's super helpful. This pretty much takes the goal planning idea to a next level. Having a schedule of what you want to do every day just makes you a lot more likely to actually do it, and it makes you a lot more productive. Here's an example of what my week looks like and how I follow it. It's time to go study. I guess it's time to eat. Okay, so maybe it didn't look that fun, but trust me, it's a lot better and a lot more helpful than it seems. Anyways, you don't have to follow it exactly. It's just a guideline to show you how much time you have in your day, which is another point I want to bring up. A lot of my friends come up to me and be like, hey Nick, I want to start a business. Hey Nick, I want to get jacked. Hey Nick, I want to get a perfect score on my SAT. And when I say, why don't you do it? They say, I don't have enough time. You have enough time, homie. Take a good look at your screen time, and that's how much free time you have. And I know this is going to be an argument in the comments. Like, I'm sure there's people saying, oh, I have a job. Just stay up a little later. The world doesn't care about your situation, so just try to make the best. If you have to sacrifice a couple hours of sleep for this time period, then do it. As long as you're still trying to be like healthy, it'll all work out, trust me. But don't worry, I understand the job life. I worked at Chick-fil-A while I was in school, trying to achieve all these good things. And yeah, it wasn't fun, but you make it out. You make it out, trust. Also, I'm not trying to criticize anyone. I'm trying to be the best version of myself, and I'm trying to help you guys be the best version of yourself. So yeah, I mean, we got this, kings and queens. Small demographic of my audience, but we all got it. Yes. Anyways, another key to being consistent is by making things effortless, which leads me to today's sponsor, UPDF. Okay, hold up. I actually use these guys and I think they're really cool, so listen up. UPDF is like having your own personalized assistant for all your schoolwork. Imagine all your notes, assignments, and study material all perfectly organized, ready to go whenever you need them. It's not just a PDF editor, it's a productivity tool that helps you and keeps everything organized. With UPDF, you can organize your notes by subject, annotate them, and even convert them into mind map. And the best part, UPDF AI helps you summarize all your long notes, translates tricky sections, and even lets you talk with images and PDFs. Just watch UPDF turn this PDF into a mind map. Crazy, right? In all honesty, it's kind of like having a tutor on demand, which is super helpful for crushing this school year. It's also just really versatile and accessible. With one payment, you can use UPDF on 4 devices and you get a bunch of iCloud data, so your data is all safe and secure. Also, right now there's exclusive discount for UPDF Pro. Just look in the link in my description, and yeah, check out the link below. I think you'll love it. So anyways, let's go back to the video. Next, I want to talk about consistency. Habits. Shout out to my boy James Clear in his book Atomic Habits. You should definitely give it a read. Anyways, making studying a part of your daily routine is super important. The more you do something consistently, the more it becomes a habit and the easier it is to do. It might be hard for the first week or two, but after that, you'll be set. It will just be a habit that you do every day. Quick side note, this is my friend, John. Now you might be thinking, why is he showing us John? Is he some type of productivity savior or study genius? Well, no, but he's just as important. He is my study partner. Having a study partner can make studying 10 times easier. When you have two people who are just consistent and want to go study, it's so easy. It's so free. You just like head to a cafe or something. So yeah, get one. Okay, let's continue. Another tip for making this year your best year is by hitting the gym. Okay, so I know this might seem completely unrelated to school, and no, this is not just a rant from a gym rat trying to spread gym culture, but I genuinely believe that the gym has helped me so much and can help you so much. It builds skills like dedication, consistency, confidence, and big pectoral muscles, which is all key in achieving everything that you want in life, especially the big pectoral muscles. It might seem hard to fit in the gym with your busy schedule, with your academics and extracurriculars, but please try to do it. The gym has some really incredible benefits besides the obvious, which is just being healthy. Nothing has made me realize more that I can accomplish a goal than the gym. The gym is like this shining beacon of light that says, hey, you can do it. I mean, just look at these big muscles I built. This confidence leads you to be happier, which leads you to put yourself out there for more opportunities. This can lead to more friends, new connections, and just more respect from your peers. The gym also just changes your mindset. It teaches you delayed gratification, and it's just overall immensely important for achieving your goals this school year. So hit the gym, folks. Okay, finally we have my last and most important tip. Can I get a drum roll, please? It's hating being unproductive. I know. It sounds like amazing advice, right? I know that advice seemed a little wonky, but let me explain. I'm at the point where even looking at TikTok just makes me feel a little bit disgusted. It's because when I scroll on TikTok, I know I could be grinding, fulfilling my life purpose, or actually getting real dopamine from my friends instead of this doom scrolling device named Bob. Yeah, I named my phone Bob, but that's besides the point. The point is I find happiness from being productive and find no happiness from being unproductive. I start feeling bad about myself if I'm unproductive. Also, let me clarify, being productive doesn't mean you can't hang out with your friends or have free time. I personally believe that being productive means you have time for friends and have time for free time. It's just as long as you got your work done first. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about how we can actually use this for our application. Every time you go to the gym, go study, or do something productive, I want you to think to yourself, wow, I'm awesome. I am doing something amazing. I am getting my life together. Go me. Okay, so this might sound weird, but self-affirmation goes a long way, a lot more than you think. And when you're doing something unproductive like scrolling through TikTok, I want you to think, is this adding value to my life? Why am I doing this? And could I be dedicating this time to something more important to me? And I want you to really feel these words. I genuinely hate being unproductive so much that it genuinely makes me feel horrible being unproductive. You could call it gaslighting, but I call it beneficial gaslighting. I think that makes it a lot better. Maybe? Who cares? Just please don't get too carried away and actually start self-hating yourself. We're all human. We all make mistakes. We all can't be productive 24/7, right? So make sure that you're just trying to be 1% better every day. And if you have setbacks, you have setbacks. All right, you got this. Trust me, I know you can do it. It's all about being 1% better every day. You got this, kings and queens. Okay, so honestly, that kind of just wraps up everything you need to lock in for this school year. Just be consistent with positive habits, go to the gym, like being productive, and dislike Bob, and you'll be set. Good luck with any ventures you have this year, and if it means anything, I believe in you. I believe you can do it. So, oh, one other thing, my content has been circling around everywhere recently. From training like Jake Paul to best investments for teenagers, I've gone like pretty far apart. Please let me know what you guys want to see next, either if it's a challenge video, advice video, vlogs, or just anything else. Just let me know, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.
Wow, that video was great. That guy is so handsome and he seems so intelligent. That's just what I was thinking. Subscribe!